Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Comico. May kanta pa. Okay, so, yeah, ito na. Mag-unpack tayo ngayon ng isang comics na naman. And this is, yeah, a very important comics para sa akin because this is a continuation of, we'll talk about that later. Open muna natin. Let's go. Okay, so let's make it suspense. Okay, so asan yung yeah, that's it. So dami kong Okay, so ito na. So in order ko ang woohoo, your 13C8. Okay, the 8 installation, tama ba? Or the 8th book of 13, which now we are starting on the shadow books. The first book is about Murders, the Book of Murders, and we have the Midnight, and now we have the Shadows. I think this is the last books na susulatin ni Sir Budget para makompleto na yung whole na set, which is the 9 books. I don't know if 9 lang talaga. Okay? So, for the official 13 books, okay? Kasi marami na siyang ginawa din na mga iba rin na mga comics like the Bloodlines. Meron din akong bago yung Verdugo, which hindi ko pa nakuha. Spoiler. Yeah, meron akong Verdugo pero andun pa daw sa andun pa sa tindahan namin na iwan kasi doon ko pinapa-deliver. Okay? So, ito yung 13-8 na Shadow Agents. Dito yung nangyari yung mga ginawang spoilers ng iba sa 13 last 2 years. Yes, last 2 years, which is yung ang kambal, may isa sa kambal na medyo malalagay sa kapahamakan. So, a little bit of the show here. That's your 13-8. Yeah. So, Shadow Agents by Budget 10 and still by Kajo Baldissimo yung ating drawings. Wow, ayun na nga, nakita ko yung part na yun. So, question is, makakaligtas kaya yung isa sa kambal dito? Sa nangyari na parang curse na kasi naintindihan ko sa curse na yun, is kapag tinamaan ka ng apoy na to, talaga automatic na mamamatay ka. Yeah, mamamatay ka talaga. Hindi parang Amaterasu. Yeah, yung parang Amaterasu ni Itachi at ni Sasuke na kapag tinamaan ka ng apoy, hindi mawawala yung apoy kapag hindi rin namamatay yung tinamaan ng apoy. Parang gano'n yung datingan. Okay? So, nangyari dito sa isa sa mga kambal is natamaan siya ng curse na yun at ng apoy na yun na kung saan nasunog yung isa sa kambal. Pero dahil yung kambal ay demigods or kalahating tao, kalahating Diyos, o parang ganun. Continuously na sinusunog siya, tapos nagiging buto siya, and then bumabalik yung laman niya. At habang bumabalik yung laman niya, sinusunog din naman siya ulit. Kasi nga, hindi siya namamatay. So, kahit God ka, or kahit demigod siya, may kalahating tao, so you can still feel the pain. One of the kambal can still feel the pain on that matter. So, yeah, yun yung naintindihan ko sa spoiler na ipinalabas last 2 years. And now, I have it, the book, and I will read it. And yeah, I don't know if I can make some reviews of 13 kasi parang hindi na dapat lagyan pa ng review. I don't know okay. Pero for me, sa akin kasi ini-enjoy ko na talaga basahin yung 13. Hindi na yung hinahanap yung mga details. So I think I will just share you the stories next time. Back tayo sa book 1 and then until sa book 8. Because yung book 1 ko, parang nadala ko yata sa school. Kasi may mga bata na gustong bumasa nun. Or mga estudyante ko. Yung book 1 is 1, 2, 3 is Murders. 4, 5, 6 is about Midnight. And now, the 7th and the 8th for now is about Shadows. Yeah, about Shadows na. I don't know if what will happen on the 9th book. Kung kailan din i-release. Kasi nga, nagka-release yung 8 natin. Mga, I think, more than 3 years yata bago na complete ang book at na-release. And yeah, wow, it's very nice, man. Talagang ang ganda talaga. Pero talagang kupas pa rin si Sir Arcadio at si Sir Budgetan. Yeah, and to tell you, Sir Budgetan also subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, thank you so much sa pag, hindi sponsored, okay? Pero talagang magpapasalamat ako kay Sir Budgetan, kay Sir Arcadio Baldisimo for bringing something like this, made from Philippines, made by a Filipino, na ganitong klase na book. Hindi mo, parang I don't know if, kaya pa ng iba. Yeah. Siguro naman, marami pa mga talented dyan. Pero iba talaga tong 13. Iba talaga. So, again and again, nasabi ko na to noon nung nag-vlog ako about sa sa Book of Murders na collection ko na hardbound. On the time, yung hardbound na yon is, wala na nagpe-print nun, okay? Yun na lang yun. So, ang dami talagang naghahanap ng ng copy na yun. Especially na nung lumabas yung 13 sa Netflix. Yeah, you remember that? Yeah, 2020 yata. Yeah, lumabas yung 13. At ang 13 na anime adaptation ang nagpa-subscribe sa akin sa Netflix. And until now, I'm still on Netflix watching some new movies and anime series. And yeah, still waiting for Netflix to do something on the next season of 13. Marami naghihintay, especially ng mga Pilipino. Okay, I don't know if some, but yeah, me still waiting for the second season showing that, anong tawag dun? Yung parang zombie sa China. Yeah. So, I hope makita ko yung zombie na yun dito or sa ibang books. Kasi sa 7, hindi ko siya nakita. Sana maging, hindi siya spoiler, but collection for the books. Okay? Kasi, I think, mag-iiba kasi daw ng route, yung ng ruta, yung anime. But yeah, I still want to have it based on the book. Okay? Kahit sa animes, hindi siya parang chronological na sinunod talaga yung book. Pero napagtagpi-tagpi nila at nakagawa sila ng isang story na ilang episodes nga ng 13? 6? 7? 8 ba? Nalimutan ko na. Na ganun ka, hindi naman mahaba. Short lang siya. I think it's 8 episodes. Yeah. I forgot, man. Nalimutan ko. Basta napanood ko yun. Okay? At pinapanood ko din sa mga students ko kasi it will be part of my subject next time on MAPE in arts. Yeah. Ang 13 ay nasa libro ng grade 10 na arts. Okay? So, yeah, it's good that I have these books already. So, ito yung magiging example ko sa kanila kapag napunta na kami doon sa part na yun. Okay? So, yeah. So, this is your 13 8 Shadow Agents. Dami kong dada. Dada, basta 13. Yeah, kasi talagang nanonood at nagbabasa ako ng 13. At yung ibang books din ng 13, binabasa ko din. So, yeah, I still have my Verdugo. So, maybe next time, kasi nandun pa sa tindahan namin, naiwan ko. Kasi doon ko nga pinapadeliver tong mga deliveries ko from Shopee at sa iba pang mga online shops. So, yeah, kukunin ko yun. And we also have an unpacking of those. Yeah, unpacking, man. Unpacking of those comics. And again, I'm collecting Pinoy comics. As long as it's made by Filipino, yeah, kahit ibang story, kahit hindi masyadong about mythology sa Philippines. Kasi parang yun talaga ang parang nagagamit ngayon for the theme of the Philippines. Because we are promoting our own culture. Okay? So, maraming talagang nagtataka dito sa mga iba't ibang mga creatures na nakikita natin dito. So, if you want to know, especially for those foreign friends that we have there, if you want to know about those different creatures that you see on 13, try to, I don't know if nandito ba, but yeah, I have that book, The Lost Compendium of, ano ngayon? Nalimutan ko. Teka, hanapin ko. Okay, hindi ko mahanap. Basta, I think it's The Lost Compendium of Alejandro Pardo. At yung mga mythology beast ng Pilipinas na nandun na naka-alphabetical. Talaga ang ganda siya. Ang gandang basahin. Makikita mo yung mga talagang research na talagang naghanap yata sila ng mga taong nakakita daw or merong something makakapag-describe ng ganitong creature sa lugar nila. Okay? So, I think I will just open that book next time and I will share that to you on my next vlog. Okay? So, so much for that. We have here your 13 8 Shadow Agents. Ito yung bagong book ng 13. Ayan, focus muna natin. Ayan. yeah, babasahin ko to. Yeah, I think I will just give you the story of each kind of story because I think in every book, I think there are 3 to 5 stories in here. So, yeah. So, I think that's it. So, if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell para ma-inform pa kayo sa susunod ko pa na videos. Okay? And contents. Ano yun? Okay, so that's for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off. And, sabi ko sana ganun pa version. Comico signing off. Bye. Let's read. Let's support Filipino.